Welcome to Peppy Pillars. Bubbly brains, lively leaps.
Hello, little kids. Today, we are going to learn opposite words. Opposites are two words that are completely different from each other. Are you ready? Let's start. Big, small, big, small, big, and small. Tall, short, tall, short, tall, and short. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, and cold. Fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, and slow. Happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, and sad. Up, down, up, down, up, and down. Day, night, day, night, day and night. Full, empty, full, empty, full and empty. Clean, dirty, clean, dirty, clean and dirty. Open, close, open, close, open and close. Near, far, near, far, near and far. On, off, on, off, on and off. Loud, quiet, loud, quiet, loud and quiet. Boy, girl, boy, girl, boy and girl. Light, dark, light, dark, light and dark. Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet and dry. Soft, hard, soft, hard, soft and hard. Young, old, young, old, young and old. Left, right, left, right, left and right. Push, pull, push, pull, push and pull. Good, bad, good, bad, good and bad. Strong, weak, strong, weak, strong and weak. Sweet, sour, sweet, sour, sweet and sour. Yay, you learned so well. Keep practicing and have fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.